With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, in the circuit shown below, the resistance of the galvanometer is 20 ohm. In which case of the following alternatives are the currents arranged strictly in the decreasing order? Okay, so as you can see in this diagram, this is the formation of bridge, or I can say formation of Wheatstone bridge, and there are galvanometer attached in this, and the total current is I, and this current is divided into two parts. First part is I1. Okay, this is I1 current here, this is I1, and second is I2, and now this I1 is also divided into two parts, that is IG, and now remaining is I1 minus IG in this. Okay, so now as you can see that this is the formation of bridge or bridge formation. For balanced bridge, the condition is, for balanced bridge, because this is the formation of bridge, so for balanced bridge there is a one condition, and that condition is that the parallel resistance, the product of parallel resistance is equal. Suppose this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and this is R4. Now the parallel resistance is R1 and R4 and R3 and R2. That means the product of R1 R4, that is equal to the product of R2 R3. This is the condition for balanced bridge. Now the value of R1 is 10 ohm into R4 is 20, that is equals to the value of R2 is 100 and the value of R3 is 2. So the value is 200 and this side is also 200. That means this bridge is a balanced bridge. This is a balanced bridge, and for balanced bridge the current in galvanometer is 0. If the bridge is balanced, that simply means that the current in galvanometer is 0. So now we have one relation for current, that is in galvanometer, that is 0. Suppose this is my relation 1. Okay, now as you can see, when the current in this G is 0, that means we are going to neglect this. Now 10 R1 and R2, these are in series. Suppose the net resistance is RS1, and similarly these 2 ohm and 20 ohm is also in series. Suppose the resistance is RS2. Now in series the resistance is written as, resistance is directly added, so RS1 is basically equal to 100 plus 10, that is equals to 110 ohm, and RS2 is basically 20 plus 2, that is 22 ohm. Now we know that current is given by, as you can see that this current, total current is the sum of I1 and I2. So the second relation is that the current I, that is the sum of I1 plus I2. That means I can say that the value of I is greater than I1 as well as value of I is greater than I2. Okay, so suppose this is my relation second. Now we know that current is given by V upon R, voltage upon resistance. The relation of voltage, resistance and current is from Ohm's law, I equals to V upon R. That means current is inversely proportional to the resistance. That means the division of current is inversely proportional to the R. If I1 is greater than I2, now as you can see the value of RS1 is greater than RS2. As you can see RS1 is 110 ohm and RS2 22 ohm. That means RS1 is greater than RS2. Now current is inversely proportional. That means current is in RS1, that is I1, is less than the current I2. This is my relation third. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 I can write that current I is the maximum because it is the sum of I1 and I2. Then the current I2 is greater than I1, that means then I2, then I1 because IG is 0. So this is IG. So this is the decreasing order of currents. I is maximum, then I2, then I1, then IG, which is 0. So let's check the option I, I2, I1, IG. Second option is the correct option. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.